Hi, my name's Josh, owner at Bespoke Security and Screens. I have been an authorised Prowler Proof dealer since 2012. So for this property I chose to install ForceField. I feel confident recommending this product to my customers as it has met and exceeded Australian standards tests for security products. The property sits right on a racecourse, so we also use ForceField for its viewing angle. It has a 42.5% open area and 156-degree viewing angle, the best of all of the security products in the Prowler Proof range. Being a two-storey home, we also used Guardian upstairs. Chris has a young child, so an anti-fall product was required and used on some of the windows. It also matches seamlessly with the ForceField products and has a large viewing angle as well. We used a large range of products for this project, including ForceField fixed window screens, ForceField sliding stacking doors, ForceField hinge doors, and ForceField hinge window screens, along with the Guardian fall prevention screens. Chris travels for work at times, so security was important. He needs to be able to lock up the home and have peace of mind knowing that it's safe.